I started a new YouTube channel before 2026, and I genuinely think you should too, because YouTube just revealed something massive, and most creators aren't paying attention to it at all. Every year, YouTube releases their Culture and Trends report, and this year's report shows a dramatic shift in how people discover content, how they watch content, and which channels are going to explode over the next 2 years. And let me tell you, if you're running a faceless channel or planning to start one, this might be the biggest opportunity you'll see for a long time. Let me break down exactly why. Subscribers aren't driving growth anymore, the interest is. This is one of the biggest changes YouTube mentioned. People used to find creators through their subscription feed. Now, it's all about topics. It's about what viewers care about right now. YouTube literally said audiences are drawn to creators through shared interests, not subscriptions. And this completely changes the game, because you no longer need a built-in audience to get traction. You don't need to show your face. You don't need charisma. You just need to hit the right interest group with the right idea. Think about it. If people are actively interested in learning about managing money as beginners, or building simple habits to improve their health, or navigating the new wave of AI tools, YouTube will push content toward them that matches those interests. This levels the playing field more than ever, especially for faceless channels. And here's the part almost nobody talks about. YouTube picks up on the actual words you speak. So when you clearly say your topic early in the video, you're feeding the algorithm exactly what it needs to recommend your content to the right people. And here's another angle people forget. Interest doesn't just decide who gets your video. It also decides how long they stay. When someone is deeply curious about something, they're naturally more likely to watch more of that video, and they're more likely to watch the next one you recommend. That's why picking the right interest is more important than picking the right niche. The niche is the category. The interest is the psychology behind it. YouTube is shifting from categories to psychology, and creators who understand that early are going to dominate. Now let's talk about something else YouTube highlighted. Both extremely short and extremely long videos are taking over. This was one of the clearest patterns in the report. Short videos are exploding. Long, deep TV-style content is also exploding. Everything in between is slowly fading. Why does this matter? Shorts are the fastest way to get discovered. They spark curiosity. They pull people into your world. And the crazy part is, shorts don't even need to go viral to work. They just need to hit the right micro-interest. Even small spikes in shorts traffic can push huge amounts of viewers into your long-form videos. Long-form videos, on the other hand, are where the real growth happens, because they build trust, they increase watch time, and they set up your channel for serious revenue. And here's the powerful part. If your shorts lead into your long videos, you're creating a full viewing session. You're guiding people from the quick hit of information into something deeper. And YouTube loves channels that keep viewers on the platform for longer. That combination, fast discovery through shorts and depth through long form, is exactly what helps new channels explode. And the report backs this up. Viewers who watch a mix of short and long content from the same creator have the highest retention and highest repeat viewer rate across the entire platform. Now let's talk about something almost nobody mentions. YouTube is now a full-on TV platform. This is one of the biggest hidden shifts happening right now. More people than ever are watching YouTube on their televisions, not on their phones, not on their laptops, on their TVs, in their living rooms, on their couches, the same way they watch Netflix. And that completely changes what kind of content performs well. TV viewers want videos that are calm, structured, easy to follow, and easy to listen to without constantly looking at the screen. They want storytelling. They want breakdowns. They want longer videos that feel like mini documentaries, explainers, or guided experiences. This is a massive opportunity for faceless channels, because viewers don't care if they're watching a person on screen. They care about the value, the pacing, and the clarity of the content. If you can keep someone watching, or even listening, for 20, 30, 40 minutes, YouTube will push your channel hard. And here's the best part. Faceless content actually performs better on TV than many personality-driven videos, because the viewer isn't expecting a face-to-face connection. They want information, storytelling, or guidance, not entertainment through personality. You don't need charisma. You don't need perfect lighting. You don't need a camera. You just need to be worth listening to. Authenticity is more important than ever, and it has nothing to do with showing your face. A lot of creators get this wrong. They think authenticity means being on camera, showing your life, being vulnerable. But YouTube's report makes something clear. People connect with creators who feel real, not necessarily creators who show their face. Authenticity isn't about appearance, it's about intention. Are you actually helping people? Are you explaining things clearly? Are you making content that improves someone's life or solves a real problem? Faceless channels can be incredibly authentic because they force the focus onto the message, not the person. And when you build a consistent style, a recognizable avatar, or a unique narration tone, viewers start to remember you, not because they see you, but because they trust you. And authenticity also shows up in your structure. The way you speak, the pace you use, the stories you include. Authenticity is felt, not shown. And viewers, especially on YouTube's new TV audience, can tell in the first 10 seconds whether you're trying to provide real value or whether you're just trying to chase views. Just a quick note, if this has been helpful so far, feel free to drop a like, it really does support the channel. And if you want to learn how to build a high-quality faceless channel and create real income using AI tools, you're always welcome to subscribe. A lot of high-value content is on the way. Now, let's get back to it. YouTube is also shifting from creator to founder, and it's happening fast. This is the most important trend YouTube pointed out. The creators who are thriving aren't just uploading videos, they're building businesses, they're creating digital products, they're recommending useful tools, they're teaching things people actually want to learn. They're building systems for long-term value, not just chasing views. And this is especially powerful for faceless channels that focus on educational content, because viewers who watch educational videos are already trying to solve something. They're ready for solutions. One of the smartest things you can do, and something many top creators are doing, is create one long, complete guide in your niche. A video that teaches everything someone needs to know. This video becomes the foundation of your channel. It builds trust, it keeps people watching longer, and it naturally sets you up to offer something that genuinely helps the viewer, whether it's your own resource or an affiliate tool. And the cool thing is, you don't need millions of views for this to work. You just need the right viewers, people who care about what you're teaching, people who want to take action, people who value clarity. That's how small channels with modest view counts make real income, not through viral hits, but through value. So here's the bottom line. YouTube is changing faster than ever. The old strategies are disappearing, and the creators who understand what's happening right now are the ones who are going to win in 2026. And honestly, that's exactly why I started this new channel before 2026, because the timing couldn't be better. If you've been thinking about starting a faceless channel, or even rebuilding the one you already have, there has never been a better moment. The opportunity right now is massive, and the people who move early are going to benefit the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.